Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox the desk clamp power strip. Now this one is much bigger than the other one I had before, and I'll show you that in a moment. But this is by JGSTKCity. Yeah, I don't know. But it's JGSTKCity. So however you want to pronounce that, there you go. So let's get unboxing. It's packaged very well. Ooh. So it does come with instructions. Now this power strip, as you see here, does have 5 outlets. And it does have 2 regular USBs and 2 micro USBs. Or mini, or the smaller ones. Type C, that's it. Type C USBs. So this is going to help me out when I go to do product reviews, as well as with the new setup, the way I set up the new computer, which I think you saw a little bit of that. I think I put it out right before this one. So go ahead and take a look at that so you know what I mean. But let's go ahead and hook this thing up, plug something into it, see if it works. Aha. Now, as you can see here, it does have a nice clamp on it. And that clamp is going to be going on the edge of the desk. So let's make sure it's nice and loose, because I do have a pretty thick desk. But as you can see, it does have a nice long range. I like that. And then we're just going to move this desk back a little bit. There we go. Slide that in. Tighten down the clamp. That's good. And then we're going to plug this thing in and test it out. Got to move this out just a little bit more. And there's a plug right down in there. I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing in. And I'll do cable management a little bit later. Get in there. There we go. Now, one of the challenges as videographers, a lot of our DSL cameras, in order to charge the battery in the camera, you do have to have PD, power, I forget what it's called, but anyway, it's more power than what a normal Type C output has. So we're going to take a Type C, plug it in the camera, and another Type C, plug it in, and ooh, look at that. The green light is on, which means it is charging. This does have enough power to charge at least the Canon EOS R10. That's nice and convenient. I like that. Another thing I do is while I'm editing, I do charge my phone, make sure it's nice and crisp. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the charger and see. It works. Let's go ahead and do that again. It works. Alrighty. Just want to make sure it wasn't some anomaly. So, yep. I'm happy with that. And finally, little vacuum cleaner that I sometimes use to clean up smaller spills.
it works.
Well, again, thank you very much for coming along with me to do this very quick unboxing and first use of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outlet and 2C and 2A USB type outlets. If you have any use for this kind of stuff, I hope it helped. Something I've been looking for quite some time for my uses. And with that said, have a great day.